if you're in the market for a Defender 90, this car for a 22 plate is the best priced car in the UK. On top of that, it's the spec. So the car's an X-Dynamic, so you've got that beautiful black styling. It's got 22-inch wheels, it's got a sliding sunroof. It looks fantastic. It's got side steps, mud flaps, spare wheel cover, beautiful two-tone interior. It's covered 1,500 miles. It's got just under 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. And it is priced on the money to sell today. So you can ring me direct. This car will sell today because whoever has been looking, you'll have alerts for prices. It's the best priced car in the UK. Full X-Dynamic styling, so you've got badging, inserts, the under section of the front bumper all the way around the arches. You've then got 22-inch urban wheels, which just set the car off fantastically well. You've got mud flaps, fixed side steps, privacy glass, and then even you've got all that beautiful X-Dynamic styling on the back. Spare wheel cover finished in gloss black as well. It looks really well, especially the colour being grey. There's no silver on the car. It's just black exterior styling, black wheels, mud flaps. It just looks really, really well. And then on top of that, it's got a beautiful two-tone interior. This car is a 250 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel engine, and it just looks fantastic, and it represents ridiculous value for money the way we've priced it. Specification, the car's an S model, but it's all about the spec and what's being added. It's keyless entry. You've then got this beautiful two-tone interior, which I just think makes the car. The car's covered 1,575 miles. And I'm going to get in. You can see at the moment it's got a glass roof. It's a sliding sunroof. Very expensive option that someone's paid for. Keyless start. And there we have it. So you've got the internal blind. Press the button. There we go. And then you've got that sliding sunroof. The interior as well just brightens the whole car up. You've got a slightly lighter roof lining. You've got your sliding roof. You've got things that are standard. So we've got, if you look here, you've got digital cockpit. So all your dials are digital. And the reason I mentioned that, a lot of the new model Defenders that are coming from production, Land Rover are struggling to put the digital dials in. So I'm getting cars which are brand new, which have got fixed dials, but it's got the digital cockpit. You've got cruise control, automatic lights, automatic wipers, front and rear heated screens, all the camera system with the surround, top view and 3D camera system, all the different driving models. So you've got comfort, off-road, and then if we go into seats, you've got things, I'll just slide across and show you key features. Digital climate control, heated seats, navigation, just all the things you would want. Bags and bags of storage space, USB charging points. It's just a lovely example. And it's just the way it looks. I think Eiger Grey, black exterior styling, 22s, sunroof, two-tone interior. It's just a great example. And it'll sell today. So you can ring me direct. My number's on the bottom of the screen. Drop me a message, WhatsApp. You can come and collect it. Thank you for watching.